Hi guys, Charlie Campbell again, coming at you with a Yu-Gi-Oh video. We're going to be doing a Yu-Gi-Oh tournament, but I have got for you 1, 2, 3, 4 secret forces, 1 battle pack, epic build. Hey Bradley, hold the camera, would you? There you go. Right.
You just said his name on YouTube. That's it. Terrorists are going to come after him now.
Right.
That's what ISIS do in their spare time. Scroll through YouTube finding people.
Right, ritual weapon.
Probably anyway.
Just send you comma 2. Vanity's emptiness, nice.
That's good.
Curse Enchanter and Necroz.
Wow.
I don't know what half those are.
Necroz is quite good actually for a light
Right,
one.
guys. Right.
Hey, Senpai.
You send you me sack.
That's alright. Pendulum.
Sigil. So cardy, nice.
Brilliant.
Brilliant. What's it do?
Basically, you can discard it and then draw 2 cards. Well,
Dirty shit
tribute it and then draw 2 cards. Holy mother of poo.
Oh my gosh, oh gosh, come on. I just pulled a brionac. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Go and show Vinny.
Vinny. Second secret forces.
Boom! Did you record that?
Yeah, I'm still recording right now.
Boom!
Oh my gosh. Brionac, second try. Come at me. You've got nothing. Right. Bradley, hold the camera.
Wait, I'm just looking. Oh, crud's sake.
Are you going to hold the camera at me? Right.
Keep it safe.
So, here are all the cool cards I've got so far. Vanities, card car.
I got some from
This is about 60. £60.
Yeah.
That's Mr. Bean camera work.
Look at me.
I'm just going to put it in a sleep quick, Charlie.
Next.
The excitement on your face.
Vanity's emptiness again. Soul release, Richard. You send you comma 1.
Do you get any spellcasters?
I'll try and give them to you.
Not give them to
Right, that's it for the
straight.
secret forces.
And now another card pack where you won't get anything useful.
Probably Shush, I could pull a forbidden item.
Right, because they're so useful.
No, forbidden chalice. You know, forbidden chalice.
Forbidden Chalice is a good card. I have that in there, I think. Unless
I had
traded
forbidden
it.
chalice, I sold it.
That was stupid.
Is that a misprint? No, oh my gosh, it's a Regeki.
A Regeki.
Regeki.
A Regeki for the Geki.
Breaker Magical Warrior.
I need another one of him.
Holy mother.
Didn't see the name of that. What was it?
And Burden of the Mighty.
And his whole hand. I need.
You don't want to know this, but there you go. Do you want that?
Oh, I got level warrior. It's quite good actually.
Oh my god. Vanity's emptiness.
Oh, this.
Mate, look what I just...
Thank you.
Mother.
Right guys, that's going to do it for this video. Let's just do a quick recap. Card D, Vanity's emptiness, and a brionac. There we go. What's his effects do?